Greetings, everybody. I am about to undertake insanity workout. I know this is a little bit different. As you can tell from the sports bar, I'm here to talk about insanity. As you can tell by how dry my face is, I have not started doing the workout yet. I wanted to come and spoke to you before I actually go and start the workout, because I know that afterwards I might not be able to speak. It has been 2 weeks since I've done any workout. You know what that means? That means that all of the fitness when me gain gone. That means that every muscle still and seize up, and every part of my body forget off a workout. And right now, I'm going to do the cardio, the insanity pure cardio, and the cardio abs. If you don't hear from me in like an hour, just go save yourself. Just don't wait for me. Just go and save yourself, because I might not make it. I might not make it. But my body sees up everything. It's fine. It's fine. If we don't start, we're not going to go anywhere. So 1 hour time, I'll meet you back here. Anybody who right now I watch this and I feel say, oh, them stop the exercise too long and it's too late for them start back the exercise. I didn't mean to be stern, but we all need to get moving. 1 hour right here. So this is the water break after I finish the warm up and the stretching, and this is me stopping to eat a banana, because obviously based on how I've been performing in these two things, I'm gonna need assistance. All of my fitness is coming at my last it. Well, no, I'm not last all night because I did a good in jogging. But no, I'm gonna need some little more assistance. I wish I did have some glucose. You know, like how when you look a bit, them used to just throw the glucose in your hand and you eat it. I wish I did have that. I like one half an orange with some glucose. I not have that. I have this. 2 weeks we take off, you know. 2 weeks worth of break. I call it upon myself. Onwards. Well, we done the first part, the pure cardio. No, it's not a good day for us. We're not really going to none, but we're going to discuss it. I'm going to do the next one now. So like a next 16 minutes to 18 minutes, and then more come back. Don't move. Well, it done, and I am proud to say that it was probably one of my most disappointing days yet. My body never want to do it. My mind never want to do it. I not done a workout for 2 weeks. My body sees up. All of my fitness just twinkle out and gone. All of these types of things. But it is done. It is done. So we are on the way to building up back the things. But I have one question for Shanti. Shanti, when you are telling people that, like when you go down in the plank, and you tell people so they must hold, they mustn't do the exercise, they must make you do the exercise first and show them. Who you think did I rush for to do the exercise? Like honestly, you don't have to tell me, you know. Because when you get in, you are about 5 reps in before me actually start doing the exercise, you know. Because me give you a pastime, me give you a head start, me make you start and then me start to follow you. You don't have to tell me to all, baby. I am not running along with you. And I would like to introduce something to you. You see, you are talking about them level 1, level 2, like level 19 drills and these things, level 18 drills, level 0 drills. Level 0 drills. Level 0 drills is where first you lie down on the ground with your face in the ground. Just face plant for a count of 8. And then you move upwards, put your hands on your knees and bend over and blow hard. Just breathe hard for another count of 8. And then you sit up and you breathe slowly for another count of 8. Level 0 drills, because them something where you want me just a drop pangong and a jump back up and a drop pangong, and those things are not working for me. So I would like to actually suggest that you go with level 0 drills, because I think it is kind of more decent to people. This lunge thing, I don't know when I'm going to get there. Me say everybody a lunge and I put them foot on the ground and those things. I still not getting there. I do the regular lunge. But they try one little version of it, but it never worked. So this is our day. What I said today, day 24, day 20, whatever day I said it was at the beginning. It's not a good day. As you can see, I'm not even not breathe that hard because I never really got all out in something, because I just mentally I was not there. But I will get there. If you are not doing your workouts, go and do them. Do not let 2 weeks pass, because you will dislike how you feel after jump back in the saddle and go. Okay, so tomorrow again, I'ma mean it. If you don't see me come and work out tomorrow, somebody on tweet me, on Facebook me, on give me all type of virtual abuse until me go and do my workout them. Hold me accountable for my workout them, and I am holding you accountable for yours. Some people at my timeline are not doing their workouts. We're not gonna start get some Twitter loud up. Thank you and goodbye.